Samsung's next big software update, One UI 8.5, might finally bring a solution to one of the biggest smartphone problems: messy notifications. A new leak reveals that Samsung is working on an Apple-inspired feature designed to help users take back control of their notification center, making it cleaner, smarter, and far more useful. Even though Samsung may be facing development issues with the Galaxy S26 series, its software team doesn't seem to be slowing down. The company continues to improve One UI, and version 8.5 is shaping up to be one of the most practical updates in years. According to a recent leak, One UI 8.5 will introduce a feature that allows users to prioritize notifications, ensuring that the most important alerts always appear on top. This new system was spotted in a leaked One UI 8.5 build, where screenshots showed a clear description of how the feature works. Users will be able to mark certain apps or messages as high priority, which means those notifications will appear above everything else in the panel. The feature description also mentions that notification content will be processed directly on the device, which means Galaxy AI will handle it locally, keeping user data private and secure. Interestingly, Samsung will give users two options. They can either manually choose which notifications to prioritize or allow Galaxy AI to decide automatically based on behavior and app usage patterns. This balance between control and automation could be exactly what users need, especially for people tired of getting flooded with unnecessary alerts throughout the day. However, it's worth noting that this concept isn't completely new. Samsung's idea seems to be inspired by Apple's approach in iOS 18.4, where Apple introduced a similar notification prioritization system. On iPhone 15 and newer models, users can already see important notifications from selected people or apps pinned at the top of the stack. Apple Intelligence may still be behind Galaxy AI in terms of capabilities, but Apple was the first to roll out this kind of system publicly. Now, Samsung appears to be taking that idea and giving it its own twist, powered by Galaxy AI and deeper system integration. The result could be a smarter, cleaner notification experience that finally helps Galaxy users focus on what truly matters. Another exciting rumor suggests that Samsung might also take design inspiration from Liquid Glass, a new aesthetic direction that blends smooth, reflective animations with a more fluid interface. Combined with the new notification prioritization system, One UI 8.5 could mark a significant visual and functional step forward. The full rollout of One UI 8.5 is expected to arrive with the Galaxy S26 lineup in early 2026, but there's a good chance that beta testing will start sooner. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 series could receive the first beta update as early as November. This means users might get an early taste of the improved notification system and other features before the next flagship even launches. There's no doubt that notification overload is one of the most frustrating parts of modern smartphones. Most users receive dozens of alerts daily, from social media updates and shopping deals to reminders and app suggestions. Muting them all isn't an option, since buried among the noise are important messages and critical updates that can't be missed. Samsung's new approach could finally be the solution that strikes the right balance between awareness and peace of mind. The best part is that Galaxy AI will handle this intelligently, learning which notifications users actually care about and which can wait. Over time, the system could become smarter, adapting to daily habits and keeping the lock screen and notification shade more organized. Samsung's focus on practicality in One UI 8.5 shows that the company isn't just chasing flashy visuals or big redesigns. Instead, it's solving real problems that affect users every day. While inspiration from Apple might raise some eyebrows, there's no denying that Apple's organization tools have been effective. And if Samsung can refine them even further with Galaxy AI, it could set a new standard for Android users. The truth is simple: notifications today are a mess across every operating system. Whether it's Android or iOS, no one has truly mastered how to make them both efficient and manageable. If Samsung's AI-powered prioritization system works as promised, it might just become one of the most appreciated features of One UI 8.5. With more leaks expected in the coming weeks, One UI 8.5 continues to build excitement. From smarter AI tools to design improvements, Samsung's next software update could be the one that finally makes Galaxy phones feel more organized, responsive, and personal than ever before.